Owning an EV opens a new world of automotive experience. While it's true that electric vehicles don't need oil changes, they still require regular service and maintenance. There are more than 20 inspection points, including things that you would expect, like tires, brakes, shocks, and fluid levels, and items that are EV-specific, like battery health. EV Battery Health Assurance. Your Nissan EV's battery has a limited warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. 24/7 EV roadside assistance for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles. And there are available prepaid maintenance options. To keep you rolling, Nissan can help you find the right tires for your EV to handle the extra weight and torque of electric vehicles. Experience the full thrill of your vehicle with the My Nissan or Nissan Connect EV and Services app. Stay on top of your vehicle's health, charge status, maintenance and service schedule, and locate in-network public chargers. Trust your Nissan EV certified technicians to help keep you charging down the road ahead.